Welcome back to our channel, Nicheur. Watch our video, don't miss to subscribe our channel. Hello. Today's study on SEO, Search Engine Optimization, Table of Content, 1. What is SEO, 2. How SEO differs from SEM and PPC, 3. Why SEO is important, 4. SEO types and specializations, 5. How SEO works, 6. How to learn SEO, Topic 1. What is SEO? The process of making material more discoverable through organic search results on search engines is known as search engine optimization, or SEO. It entails comprehending how search engines operate, what users type into them, the actual search terms or keywords they use, and which search engines are most popular with their intended demographic. Topic 2. How SEO differs from SEM and PPC. SEO, search engine optimization, SEM, search engine marketing, and PPC, pay-per-click, are all related to search engines but serve different purposes and use different strategies. Let's understand more about these three. 1. SEO, search engine optimization, focuses on optimizing your website to improve its organic, non-paid, search engine rankings, involves strategies like keyword research, on-page optimization, content creation, and link building, results in organic traffic from search engines, which is free but requires ongoing effort to maintain and improve rankings. Provides long-term benefits and is a more sustainable strategy compared to SEM and PPC. 2. SEM, search engine marketing, incorporates paid search efforts in addition to SEO, involves using paid advertising to appear in search engine results for specific keywords, commonly refers to paid search campaigns on platforms like Google Ads, formerly AdWords, and Bing Ads, can provide immediate visibility and traffic to your website but requires ongoing investment to maintain. 3. PPC, pay-per-click, a form of online advertising where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked, often used interchangeably with SEM, as PPC is a key component of SEM, provides a way to buy visits to your site rather than earning them organically, offers more control over targeting, budget, and ad copy compared to organic search. Conclusion. In summary, SEO is focused on improving organic search engine rankings, SEM includes both SEO and paid search activities, and PPC is a specific form of paid advertising where advertisers pay for clicks on their ads. Each has its own advantages and is often used as part of a comprehensive digital marketing strategy. Topic 3. Why SEO is important. SEO is important for several reasons. 1. Increased visibility and traffic. SEO helps your website rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, making it more likely that users will click on your site. More people may visit your website as a result of this enhanced exposure. 2. Credibility and trust. Users tend to view websites higher up in search results as more trustworthy and reputable. By ranking high in search results, you can build trust with your audience. 3. Better user experience. Search engine optimization, SEO, entails making your website more user-friendly by enhancing its mobile devices' friendliness, speed, and ease of navigation. Users may become more engaged and satisfied as a result. 4. Cost-effectiveness. Compared to paid advertising, SEO is a cost-effective strategy in the long run. While it requires an initial investment of time and resources, the traffic you receive from organic search is free, unlike paid advertising where you pay for every click. 5. Competitive advantage. In today's competitive online market, SEO is essential for staying ahead of your competitors. By optimizing your website and content, you can outrank your competitors in search results and attract more customers. 6. Long-term results. Unlike paid advertising, which stops generating traffic once you stop paying, SEO can provide long-term results. By consistently optimizing your website and content, you can maintain and improve your search rankings over time. 7. Targeted traffic. SEO helps you target specific keywords and phrases that are relevant to your business. This means that the traffic you receive from search engines is more likely to be interested in your products or services, leading to higher conversion rates. Overall, SEO is important for improving your website's visibility, credibility, and user experience, leading to increased traffic, engagement, and ultimately, conversions. Conclusion. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for several reasons. It enhances the visibility of a website, making it easier for potential customers to find your business when searching for related products or services. This increased visibility leads to more organic traffic, which is often more valuable and cost-effective than paid traffic. Moreover, SEO helps build credibility and trust with users, as high-ranking websites are often perceived as more trustworthy. Additionally, effective SEO can improve the overall user experience by making a website more navigable and faster, which can lead to higher conversion rates. Ultimately, SEO is a vital component of a successful digital marketing strategy. Driving long-term growth and success for businesses. Topic 4, SEO types and specializations. There are several types of SEO and specializations within the field. Here are a few of the important ones. 1. On-page SEO. This method concentrates on making certain web pages more search engine friendly, rank better, and attract more relevant visitors. Content, meta tags, headings, images, and URL structures are all optimized. 2. Off-page SEO. This involves improving the website's authority and relevance through activities outside of the website itself. This includes link building, social media marketing, influencer outreach, and other strategies to increase the website's credibility and popularity. 3. Technical SEO. This focuses on the technical aspects of a website to improve its crawling and indexing by search engines. It entails repairing crawl issues, mobile friendliness, speed optimization, and schema markup. 4. Local SEO. This is focused on optimizing a website to rank better for local search results. It includes optimizing Google My Business listing, local citations, and geo-targeted keywords. 5. E-commerce SEO. This specializes in optimizing online stores and product pages to rank higher in search results. It includes optimizing product descriptions, images, and navigation to improve user experience and conversion rates. 6. Mobile SEO. With the increasing use of mobile devices, mobile SEO focuses on optimizing websites for mobile users, including responsive design, mobile-friendly content, and fast loading times. 7. Voice search SEO. As voice search becomes more prevalent, voice search SEO focuses on optimizing content for voice search queries, including using natural language and long-tail keywords. 8. International SEO. This focuses on optimizing websites for different countries and languages, including free-flang tags, localized content, and country-specific domain extensions. 9. Enterprise SEO. This specializes in SEO for large companies with complex websites and multiple locations. It includes strategies for managing large-scale SEO campaigns, optimizing for multiple languages and regions, and working with large teams and stakeholders. 10. Content SEO. This focuses on optimizing content for search engines, including keyword research, content creation, and optimization, and content marketing strategies to improve rankings and attract more traffic. These are just a few examples of the types of SEO and specializations within the field. As SEO continues to evolve, new types and specializations may emerge to meet the changing needs of businesses and search engines. Topic 5. How SEO work. SEO works by optimizing various elements of a website to improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. Here's a basic overview of how SEO works. 1. Crawling. Search engines like Google use automated programs called crawlers or spiders to browse the internet and discover web pages. These crawlers follow links from one page to another and gather information about the content of each page. 2. Indexing. After crawling a page, search engines store and organize the information they find in an index. This index is like a giant database that contains information about all the web pages that the search engine has crawled and deemed relevant. 3. Ranking. When a user performs a search query, the search engine uses algorithms to analyze the indexed pages and determine their relevance to the query. Pages are then ranked based on various factors such as keyword relevance, content quality, backlinks, and user experience. 4. Optimization. SEO involves optimizing various elements of a website to improve its visibility and ranking in search results. This includes 5. Monitoring and adjusting. SEO is an ongoing process, and it's important to monitor the performance of your website in search results and make adjustments as needed. This includes tracking keyword rankings, analyzing traffic and engagement metrics, and making changes to your SEO strategy based on the data. Overall, SEO is a complex and multifaceted process that requires ongoing effort and optimization to improve a website's visibility and ranking in search engine results. Topic 6. How to learn SEO. Learning SEO involves understanding the principles, best practices, and techniques used to optimize websites for search engines. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Understand the basics. Start by learning the basics of SEO, including how search engines work, the importance of keywords, and the different types of SEO, on-page, off-page, technical. 2. Learn from reliable sources. Many online resources, blogs, and courses can help you learn SEO. Some reliable sources include Moz, Search Engine Land, and Google's own Webmaster Central blog. 3. Take an SEO course. Consider taking an online course in SEO to get a comprehensive understanding of the subject. Courses like those offered by Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning can be beneficial. 4. Practice SEO. The best way to learn SEO is by doing. Start a blog or website and apply SEO techniques you've learned. Monitor your site's performance and adjust your strategies based on the results. 5. Stay updated. SEO is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay updated with the latest trends, algorithm updates, and best practices. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and participate in SEO communities to stay informed. 6. Experiment and test. SEO is not one size fits all, so it's important to experiment with different strategies and see what works best for your website. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track your progress. 7. Networking. Connect with other SEO professionals and enthusiasts to share ideas, ask questions, and stay motivated. Joining SEO forums and groups on social media and attending SEO conferences can be beneficial. 8. Certifications. Consider getting certified in SEO to demonstrate your knowledge and expertise. Certifications from organizations like Google, Google Analytics, Google Ads, and HubSpot can be valuable. Remember, SEO is a dynamic field, so continuous learning and adaptation are key to success. Thank you. For more information, read our blog link in the description.